Welcome to Delete My Info, your go-to source for protecting your privacy online. Imagine if anybody can know anything about you without you having any control. Are you tired of seeing your personal information being sold and shared by data brokers like 411.com? Well, it's time to take control of your privacy and remove your information from these sites once and for all. First, head to 411.com and enter your full name and location. Then, scroll through the page to find your records with the View Details button. Once you've found the matching result, click View Details, and copy the URL of your record to your clipboard. Next, go to the Whitepages opt-out page. Here, you'll paste the URL of the record you previously copied into the opt-out field and click Next. From there, click Remove Me, and select one of the reasons why you want your information to be removed. In order to remove your information, you'll need to provide a valid phone number and click the Call Now to Verify button. You'll then receive a robocall, asking for the verification code displayed on the screen. Dial the verification code and the robot will tell you that your opt-out request has been accepted. And that's it. Your information has been successfully removed from 411.com and Whitepages.com. Don't have the time or energy to remove your information from these sites? Let Delete My Info handle the tedious work for you. We're here to protect you and keep your personal information out of the hands of data brokers. So sign up with us and let us take care of your online privacy.